In this video, I'm going to teach you how to dimension your drawings in AutoCAD. Now, having done with your drawing, having completed all the necessary detail in your drawing, you will like to dimension it so that the person who is going to use the drawing or your examiner will know that you know what you are doing. And most importantly, the essence of the drawing we are doing is so that we convey information. And so if there are no dimensions in our drawings, then we have not conveyed information. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to go about adding dimension to your drawing. So you can come here and click annotation, or you can from the ribbon panel you can click on this drop down, but I would like us to go to the annotation panel so that we will have a complete view of what is contained in the annotation tool panel. So here we have text, here we have dimensions, and here also we have leaders, we have center lines. So now we want to dimension this drawing. First of all, I'll click on dimension, and then I'll move horizontally the distance I want to dimension horizontally. I'll come again, drag it up, and then move it up. Now there's a problem here. I don't know if you spotted it. We can't see the dimension and we can't see the arrowhead. Why is this? It is because they are too small. Let me zoom in and definitely we'll see them. So you can see them here, you can see the dimension here, and also I think if we zoom this side, we can see the arrowhead. So it means that by default the sizes of the arrow and the dimension are very, very small. That is why we can't see them. So we will like to modify the properties of that dimension style. So we will come up here, click on this drop down. Our setting is on ISO 25, so we want to change the dimension styles to customize it based on our drawing. After clicking the customize dimension style, you will there will be this pop-up, and then after this the pop-up you click on modify. After clicking on modify, there are a lot of modifications that we can do. So let's start with the symbol and arrow. We want the arrow to be a closed fillet. You have various options which you can choose from, whether it is closed fillet, closed blank, closed, whether it is a dot or architectural. So closed fillet is good and okay. And then we'll go on here, we'll change the arrow size. The reason why our arrows is not visible is because they are small. And be careful and look at, as I increase the sizes here, this interaction window, the arrow sizes will also increase to show us how much we have increased our arrow size so that we will not overshoot it. You see, if I increase it by 100, you can see how it looks like. It looks like it's much. Let me increase by 60. It's still looking like it's much. Let me increase by 50. It's looking like okay. Let me leave it at 50. So this is it. So next I've increased the arrow size. Then next I will come to the text. What the settings I will change here is the text height. Yeah, the text is too small, so if I increase the text height to 150, okay, I will increase again and give it 200. Yeah, giving it 200. Next I will come for the fit. On this fit panel, what we want to do is that we want to determine, let's say this piece is too small for the text and the arrow to fit in. So we want to determine which of the elements, whether of the text or the arrows, should be taken out. So I would like the text to be taken out if the space is too small, so leave it like this. and then the primary units. What we do here is we want to make the measurement to be precise, so we will convert it to 0, we change it to 0, so that we will be having whole numbers all through. So with this, you are done with setting up your custom dimension style. You can click on OK and you can close. So you see automatically the size has increased, but it still looks like it's too small, so I will still go back again to increase. We are going back to increase the sizes. The size of our arrow looks small up to now, so I'll give it 150. And also our text, I'll give it 350. Give it 350. So as you can see now, at least it's much more bigger. Yes, it's much more bigger, but still we will add again. We'll add again. Come here, modify symbol, give this as 250, give the text as 400. Yes, how about now? Yes, it's visible, it's clearly visible. Now the next step I want us to take is that I want you to click on this continue dimension. What this does is that it continues the dimensions from where you stop along the line. So when I click on it, you see this, so I don't have to come again and be clicking dimension again. This will select multiple, so that I will dimension until I'm done dimensioning all the distances I want to dimension along the horizontal. So you can see I'm dimensioning, it applies it automatically for me. I have it. I can have this also. I can have this. 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 Come here. I can have this. I can have this. I can have this. So I'll press escape, come out, so you can see I have properly dimensioned this area. So I can also come here. By the way, these lines are too long, so let me shorten them. Can come to modify, break at a point, so that I break these lines the shorter distances. So let me just erase them all. I'll just take my dimensions from the column ends. So I can also come here and take this dimension, come closer, I move this way, over here, move this way, and then this way. So I can indicate this, then go up, and then come again, go to the annotate, and then click on continue dimension. And once I click on continue dimension, you see I can continue the dimension without bothering. Can do this. I come here also, over here, go up and do this. So as you can see, I have this here. So I'm all good here. I can come to the face of the building, which is here, go up, get this right, come up, then continue. I have this, I have this, I have this, keep moving, I have this, I have this, I have this. So with this, my dimension is complete, and I'm all good, as you can see. And also I can decide to change this text position to the other side of the drawing. I can decide to change it. Oh, I get it, it's because it's on the underside, that's why it shows up. So I can decide to try changing it, make it upwards. Let me see whether that is possible. Text, it should be placed above, centered. It should be placed outside all the time. Close, and when you down, you can see it is outside. It's supposed to be outside, so you see. So this is a process which you can go on to dimension your drawings properly, and also make sure that they are clearly visible, so that the person who is going to use it will clearly understand what you are trying to communicate. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. Subscribe to this channel and also share this video with your friends. Thank you.